Are you wondering how to start an LLC for a prop supply business? Today, you will learn about the most common ways to start your prop supply business, including the correct forms you'll need, how to register your LLC, critical naming requirements, and all other vital tips and tricks. Then, as a bonus later on in the video, I will reveal to you a trustworthy company called InkFile, which will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. You can learn more about them by clicking the link in the description box below. In this detailed guide on how to start an LLC for your prop supply company. Starting a prop supply company can be an exciting venture, especially in industries like film, theater, events, and photography, where props play a crucial role. Establishing a limited liability company, LLC, is an ideal choice for your business due to its numerous benefits, which we will delve into shortly. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step procedure of setting up an LLC for your prop supply company, ensuring a strong foundation for your business endeavors. Why choose an LLC for your prop supply company? Before we dive into the procedural details, let's explore why starting an LLC is the ideal choice for your prop supply business. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant advantages of an LLC is that it offers personal liability protection. This means that the business's debts and liabilities are separate from your personal assets. If your prop supply company faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets will be shielded. 2. Flexible management structure. LLCs allow for a flexible management structure. You can choose to manage the company yourself, appoint managers, or even designate members to take on managerial roles. This adaptability can be tailored to your company's unique needs. 3. Tax benefits. LLCs offer pass-through taxation, meaning that the business's profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax returns. This can lead to potential tax savings and simplifies tax filings. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Operating as an LLC can enhance your company's credibility and professionalism in the eyes of clients, suppliers, and partners. It signifies a formalized business structure. 5. Ease of formation. Compared to other business structures, setting up an LLC is relatively straightforward, making it a suitable option for entrepreneurs looking to start their prop supply company efficiently. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC for prop supply business, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to starting an LLC for your prop supply business. Step 1. Choose a name. Selecting a unique and memorable name for your prop supply company is essential. Ensure the name aligns with your business identity and is not already in use by another company in your state. Most states have online databases where you can search for existing business names. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This can be you, a business partner, or a professional registered agent service. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. Step 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the state's Secretary of State office. This is a formal document that officially establishes your LLC. The document typically requires basic information about your company, such as its name, address, purpose, and management structure. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not all states require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended to create one. This internal document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts among members. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is like a social security number for your LLC. It's needed for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS either online or through a paper application. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Separating your business finances from personal finances is crucial. Open a business bank account to keep your LLC's financial transactions organized and to enjoy the benefits of limited liability. Step 7. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your location and the nature of your prop supply business, you may need specific licenses and permits to operate legally. Check with your local and state authorities to ensure you comply with all regulations. Step 8. Comply with tax requirements. Register your LLC for state and local taxes, and ensure you understand your tax obligations. If your LLC has multiple members, you may need to file as a partnership or elect to be taxed as a corporation. Step 9. Register for state employment taxes. If you plan to hire employees, register with your state's employment agency for unemployment and workers' compensation taxes. Step 10. Maintain compliance. Regularly file annual reports and pay any necessary fees to keep your LLC in good standing with the state. Additionally, keep accurate financial records and fulfill tax obligations on time. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps toward establishing a successful prop supply company by setting up an LLC. This business structure provides you with limited liability protection, flexible management, and potential tax benefits, all of which contribute to the growth and credibility of your business. By following this step-by-step guide, you've laid a solid foundation for your prop supply company's journey. Remember to stay informed about legal and regulatory changes to ensure your business remains compliant and prosperous. Good luck on your entrepreneurial adventure. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. The full review of InkFile is also given in the description box down below. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. The state filing fee that you are seeing above varies from state to state, thus the cost will vary based on where you choose to register your business. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.